In this video, I'll be replacing an old screw-on bathtub diverter spout with a new slip-on style. The old spout had threads inside that screwed directly onto the copper pipe coming out of the wall, but over time it wasn't switching over to the shower properly. To remove it, I simply turned it counterclockwise until it came off. If yours is stuck, you can use a strap wrench to avoid scratching the finish. This style of slip-on spout doesn't work with threaded pipe ends, so I cut those threads off using a tubing cutter. You want a nice straight cut so the new spout seals properly. After cutting the threads, I clean the copper pipe with sand screen. This removes any burrs, oxidation, or leftover debris from the cut and gives you a smooth surface so the gasket inside the new spout can seal tight. This spout has a rubber gasket inside and a small locking screw on the bottom. I lined it up, slid it over the pipe until it was snug against the wall, then tightened the screw to hold it in place. Once it was secured, I tested it. The water flowed smoothly from the tub and switched to the shower with no leaks. So if your bathtub diverter spout is leaking or stuck, this is a quick and inexpensive DIY project you can knock out in under 5 minutes with just a few basic tools. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, hit the thumbs up button and subscribe.